Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X6038S, which features our stainless steel receiver on a Ford Escape. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Using a pry tool, remove all the clips in the wheel well and under the bumper. Unscrew the 4 heat shield screws and 2 driver side bolts as well. Use a pry tool to pop out the wheel well trim to show the second white clip and remove each clip from the trim. Now, remove the bumper, working from the wheel wells toward the center of the vehicle. Unplug the wiring harness from the inside of the bumper on the passenger side and set the bumper aside. Remove the rear crossmember by removing the 8 nuts attaching it to the vehicle. The crossmember will not be reinstalled. There is also a bumper reinforcement that is optional to move temporarily in order to make the EcoHitch installation easier. Install your EcoHitch in place of the crossmember, making sure to center it on the vehicle. Reinstall and torque the previously removed nuts. Using a reciprocating body saw or other method, trim the bumper and heat shield to the dimensions described in the instructions. Slide your receiver insert into the cross tube and secure with a 5/8 inch bolt, flat washer, and lock washer. Reinstall all factory components in reverse order of removal. EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelets products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.